Here on this channel, I make content for those who are in the midst of stacking their coins but still trying to look good while doing it, okay? We have very inexpensive wigs, DIYs, and mommy and me things just to make your life as blessed as possible. So go ahead and subscribe if you like content like this or the other content that I make. Without much more delay, let's go ahead and get into this content. Yep, I do DIY, natural hair, mommy and me, lifestyle content. I do it all. Okay, angels, so this is the unit after being washed. I think that natural curl pattern definitely does this hair some justice. It just lays a little flatter, it looks a little more natural, and I'm going to try it on like this. I'm wearing this black wig cap so it just doesn't show through in any way. The one thing that is good about this wig that is very favorable to me, I mean amongst other things, is that it is a banged unit. It has bangs on it. So that way I don't have to worry about my edges being exposed, and I can just slide the clips right under this cap that I have on. That's very convenient. And I never clip clips into my hair. I always try to put them into a cap in some way just so there's no strain on my natural hair, especially along my edges or the perimeter of my hairline. So this is what it looks like when I first just slide it on. It's cute. I just want to be able to wear this wig as is. So for right now, I'm just gonna cut some bangs into it. I might pop some curls into it to see how that looks, but for the most part, this is just gonna be an easy go-to, slap it on, run out the house type of situation. So I think it's cute. Definitely taking me back to my bang days when I used to wear bangs. I'll have to show y'all, it with some curls in it, because it's really like flat and thin. I don't like a lot of hair on my head. That's one thing about these Amazon units. If you like a fuller wig, if you like a lot of hair in your wigs, this is not something I would suggest. But for the price point of $35 and being a human hair wig, this is really good to me. You could get a wig from the beauty supply store for $35, a synthetic wig, or you can get a wig that's human. You can be able to change it, style it, dye it, color it. For $35, I don't think you can really beat that. But let's go ahead and get into the cutting of these bangs, y'all. These ain't even my clippers, but to make it do what it do today. But this is what it's looking like so far. I think it's cute. It's cute on. I have to clean up some of this hair. I left a little of the bang on the sides just so it frames my face a little better. But I think it's cute. What do you think? I have to see it with some curls. Like I said, I'll pop some curls in it for you. But for the price, $35, I don't think you really could beat this, y'all. And just imagine dyeing this wig a different color just to have some fun or adding highlights. I'm not gonna do all that today, but this is a great wig to just buy and experiment with, because you won't be wasting, you won't be investing too much into the wig. So I definitely like it.
Okay, angels, let's get into this unit. I'm sorry if you hear noise in the background. My daughter is having a moment. I don't know what she's doing, playing happily right now. But this unit right here is from the vendor Permo on Amazon. That's the Amazon vendor name. I'll put the link in the description below. This is a short bob wig with bangs, human hair, non-lace wig. It has Brazilian straight virgin hair on it, so this hair is made blunt, cut bang. Okay, so it is cut blunt on the ends of the hair as well as supposedly the bang, but I did have to cut the bangs more. But here is the unit straight out of the pack, and it did come with some wig caps, so I definitely appreciate that.
Okay, angels, that's gonna wrap up the content for this week. I appreciate you all watching and watching to the very end. I just appreciate you all so much and love the support every step of the way. If you haven't by now, what are you doing? Go ahead and subscribe to get notifications when I upload. Hit that bell notification button. And as always, I pray you all continue to walk in and live your very blessed, frugal lives. Be blessed.